internet when it comes to making money online. There are thousands of websites out there that offer various ways to earn money. You can make money answering surveys, doing freelance work, downloading apps, watching videos, and so on. There's even an opportunity to make money testing websites and apps. But for many people, especially those already experienced with making money online, one of the best ways to earn is through affiliate marketing. It's basically the method of promoting a product or service online using a unique link, specifically for you. Once people click your unique link and make a purchase, you get a commission for it. If you know what you are doing, this method of earning online could potentially be a lucrative endeavor for you. But if you're new and don't really know where to begin, making money through affiliate marketing will be next to impossible. Fortunately, there are other opportunities that don't necessarily provide you with a way to make money, but they do teach you how to make money online. And the majority of these training programs focus on affiliate marketing. But if you're someone who doesn't have the patience to undergo training, there are also plug-and-play systems out there. One such system is the 12-Minute Affiliate. It's said to be a done-for-you affiliate marketing program that you can set up in just 12 minutes. Once you have set it up, it's said that you can possibly earn $460 a day with this affiliate marketing system. Is this really true, and is 12-Minute Affiliate a legitimate program, or is it just a scam? You can also check out the step-by-step training that helps me earn over $10,000 plus per month working from home. 12-Minute Affiliate is not a scam. The 12-Minute Affiliate system is a done-for-you affiliate marketing program that is designed to help you make money once you set it up. It is said that you only need 12 minutes to set the program up, and you can possibly earn $460 a day with it. It was created by Devin Brown, a known person in the network marketing and internet marketing industry. He has created various previous sales systems that can help people promote different network marketing businesses. The 12-Minute Affiliate is his latest project, and from the looks of this program, I can say that it is not a scam. Devin is known in the internet marketing world, and a lot of the systems he has created are used by thousands of people, so you know he is not creating something that is just out to scam. With that said, this doesn't mean that the systems he created are foolproof and work without any issues or problems. Like with any program, there are also issues with the 12-Minute Affiliate. One of the common concerns I saw about this program is that it is not beginner-friendly. There are also issues with the pricey upsells that this program has, and that this system also limits the niche that you can become an affiliate in. There are also several hidden costs, and the income potential that 12-Minute Affiliate offers is a bit hyped up. The method used to get traffic is also paid advertisements, which is not advisable for beginners. These are just some of the issues about this program. I'll discuss these issues in more detail as we progress further in this review of this done-for-you affiliate marketing system. Who uses the 12-Minute Affiliate system? The 12-Minute Affiliate system is designed for people who are looking for opportunities to make money online. It is a done-for-you system that is created by known internet marketer Devin Brown. With this system, you'll just need 12 minutes of your time daily just to set it up. Once done, the system is said to do everything for you. It is claimed that the 12-Minute Affiliate system can allow you to earn up to $460 a day. The system is not available for free, though. You can choose to pay a monthly fee or a one-time lifetime fee. I'll discuss in the next section how 12-Minute Affiliate works and how much it costs you to purchase the system. How does the 12-Minute Affiliate system work? 12-Minute Affiliate is a done-for-you affiliate system that was created by Devin Brown, a known person in the internet marketing and network marketing industry. Since it's a done-for-you system, it is said that you won't need a lot of time to set it up daily, so then, all you'll need to do is wait for your commissions to come in. It is said that you can possibly earn $460 a day with this system, and you'll only need 12 minutes of your time to set it up. So how does this system work? It's basically a sales funnel that has pre-designed landing pages and pre-designed emails that you can use. It will also contain done-for-you traffic, so you won't have to worry about that. The sales funnel is designed for 3 niches: personal development, weight loss, and make money from home. This means that you can promote products from these niches using the 12-Minute Affiliate system. It's important to remember that you can only choose one niche. If you want to use all three, you need to pay more money. Since everything is already pre-designed, you just need to personalize it so that the landing pages and email contain your affiliate link. When you purchase the system, you will get a checklist, which gives you step-by-step instructions on how to start the system. The members area will also have different products available that you can promote depending on the niche you select. The products will also include instructions on how to use the resources. The process is simple. After choosing your product, you first need to customize the landing page so that it contains your affiliate link and so the commission will go to you. Next is to connect the landing page to your autoresponder and add the pre-written emails. If you don't have an autoresponder, then you'll need to get one. Autoresponders are not free, though. There will be a monthly fee you need to pay. There's usually a free trial period, so you can test them out first before deciding to subscribe. Once done, the next step is to add the done for you traffic. The traffic they offer is basically buying a solo ad about the product you are promoting. You can buy it in the members area. And that's basically it. You will have already set up the 12-minute affiliate system. So how much would this system cost? Well, there are two membership, the Basic and Gold. Basic will cost $47 per month or $397 if you choose the one-time lifetime membership payment. The Gold membership would cost $97 per month and the one-time lifetime membership payment is at $797. Both memberships will contain almost everything, but Gold members will get access to all three niches and will have more done-for-you affiliate funnels and follow-up messages. 12-minute affiliate does have a trial period where you only need to pay $9.95 for 14 days. After that, you can keep the system at the regular monthly payment, depending on the membership you subscribed to. The system also has an affiliate program, where you can earn 50% funnel commissions every time someone signs up through your affiliate link. What are people saying about 12-minute affiliate? People say that the 12-minute affiliate is not a scam and it does have its good points, with some even saying it could be a decent way for beginners to start in affiliate marketing. Though the system has some good points, the majority of the people don't really recommend this system to anyone, especially to beginners. What I like about 12-minute affiliate, now that we know what 12-minute affiliate is and what they are offering, it's time to discuss what I like about this opportunity. One of the things that I like about 12-minute affiliate is that the owner of the system is very much real. Devin Brown is known in the internet marketing and network marketing niche, and this is not the first product or system he has come out with. A lot of the systems out there 0FTEN have hidden owners, so it's a welcome thing to have a real-life owner, developer present. I also like that 12-minute affiliate has a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can at least see how the system works and you can request a refund if you are not happy with it. It's also good that 12-minute affiliate has its own affiliate program, which means you can also make money promoting the system to other people. I also like that there's a Facebook group that you can be a part of when you become a member, as this will allow you to talk to like-minded people and ask questions. Though, I would prefer one-on-one coaching so you'd be able to understand how affiliate marketing really works. Do I recommend 12-minute affiliate? After learning more about 12-minute affiliate and what it can really bring to the table, I can say that this is an opportunity that I don't really recommend. Yes, the system is legitimate and it can probably help some beginners along the way. But I don't think it is worth the price that it is asking. Paying $47 a month for a done-for-you affiliate marketing system to promote in one niche is a bit too much if you ask me. Especially if you consider that one-on-one coaching is not part of the inclusions. Having access to a private Facebook group to talk to other like-minded people is very different from a one-on-one mentoring. The focus on paid traffic is also something of a red flag for me, especially as they are marketing the system for beginners. As a beginner, it's not really advisable to start with paid traffic when it comes to your traffic source. You have to know what you are doing first before you start paying for traffic. It could end up being very costly for you without any knowledge and experience in internet marketing. What I dislike about 12-minute affiliate, of course, not everything about 12-minute affiliate is good and dandy, as there are also several things about this opportunity that I don't really like. The first thing that I don't like about 12-minute affiliate is its misleading claim that you will only need 12 minutes a day to achieve an earning of $460 a day with their system. Though it really is possible to earn that amount, the developer is just hyping the system up. You will need to work hard and spend a lot of time making this work if you want to earn hundreds of dollars a day. I also don't like that 12-minute affiliate is a limited system. Not only is the done-for-you system built for only 3 niches, but the way it is built means that you can also only promote online products from certain affiliate platforms. This puts a restriction on your earning potential as an affiliate marketer, considering the field of affiliate marketing is wide. I'm also not a fan of 12-minute affiliates' recommendation for getting traffic to your sales funnel. Though paid traffic can be effective, it's a method that is recommended more to experienced marketers. As a beginner, your focus would have to be to limit spending as much as possible. If you just blindly follow the recommendation of getting paid traffic, you might end up spending more money than you actually have. It's better to start with the free method than work your way to paid traffic once you are more knowledgeable and experienced. I also don't like that 12-minute affiliates one-on-one coaching is an upsell. It would have been better if they offered it as part of the membership, as coaching would make this system a good product. Read more in the description.